How many years will it take to rebuild my credit after a bankruptcy? Attorney Eric Stamps explains. If you take the necessary steps, such as timely paying for a house or a car, and you get credit and make payments on time, your credit will rebuild much quicker than someone who doesn't get any type of credit or doesn't pay on time. Most people see a major increase in their credit score within a year. The attorneys at Stamps & Stamps have helped protect the legal interest of the people of Ohio for more than 50 years. When tragedy strikes, they will provide the legal support you and your family need to help you protect your rights, your home, and your future.